Silica sand formed the glass bottle industry's most essential foundation.
Sample looks clean.
This quarry supplies ultra-pure sand needed for crystal-clear bottle production.
Hold that lane clear.
Moisture and grain size determine whether sand meets furnace standards.
Readings holding steady.
Massive excavators expose fresh silica layers for daily industrial extraction.
Swing clear on the right.
Limestone stabilizes molten glass and improves strength during bottle forming.
Tag that section for today.
Soda ash lowers melting temperatures, saving enormous amounts of industrial energy.
Keep that pile even.
Recycled cullet reduces furnace demand and speeds clean glass melting. Clear line looks good.
Each sand grain must stay consistent for flawless bottle walls. Nice, even cut.
Purity begins here, inside stone layers rich in calcium carbonate.
This face looks clean.
These refined white crystals help raw batch materials melt evenly.
Good flow, no clumping.
Color-sorted cullet protects bottle clarity and controls final glass tint.
Pull that ceramic piece.
Dust suppression keeps valuable minerals clean before they reach processing.
Pressure looks right now.
Covered storage preserves chemistry by shielding raw material from contamination.
Lot numbers match.
Every ingredient enters production only after strict visual and physical checks.
All 4 samples are within spec.
Veteran quarry crews still trust experience with reading shifting sand faces.
This seam is the clean one.
Older hands catch contamination quickly, often before scanners flag problems.
Ceramic out, lines clean.
Recycling teams recover thousands of pounds of clean cullet hourly. Clear bin is on target. Precise loader coordination prevents spills and keeps raw streams separated.
Easy now. Bring it straight.
Experienced samplers verify moisture levels before material enters long-haul transport.
Moisture's in range.
Everything harvested today becomes tomorrow's bottles on high-speed American lines.
Load 1 is sealed and ready.
At collection points, raw materials are separated before they ever travel. Flow looks steady.
Source crews document each load for traceability, quality, and batching accuracy.
Ticket and sample are matched.
Every ton is checked again before leaving the extraction site. Clear bins almost full. Covered feeders reduce contamination while maintaining steady flow into transport. Rate is holding even. Dispatch approval starts only after seals, manifests, and weights all match.
You're cleared for Route 1.
Bulk trailers receive sand through sealed systems designed to prevent loss.
Hold it right there.
Limestone loads must stay balanced to protect trailers and downstream handling.
Center that load.
Chemical ingredients travel protected so moisture never alters their performance. Bring it 6 inches left.
Recovered glass travels separately to preserve color control at the plant.
Slow the feed down.
Sealed convoys leave only after route checks, documentation, and safety review.
Northgate convoy departs in 1 minute.
These coordinated shipments feed furnaces that never stop producing bottles.
Spacing looks good ahead.
Approaching the plant, every incoming load is scheduled into precise slots. Lane 2 takes bulk sand.
Transportation ends here, where plant intake systems take over completely. Bulk sand to lane 3.
Receiving begins with scale verification and immediate dock assignment control.
Gross weight is posted.
Each incoming shipment is weighed, tagged, and matched to source records.
Weight matches the source ticket.
Inspectors pull fresh samples before any trailer can unload on site. Sample looks clean and dry.
Flow is building evenly.
Enclosed hoppers transfer raw sand while keeping dust tightly controlled. Cullet enters through dedicated bays to protect color and cleanliness. Clear feed is moving well. Washing removes clays and fines that would weaken finished glass. Water balance looks good. Screening ensures limestone enters batching with the correct particle size. Oversize is staying clear.
Clean cullet melts faster when dust and labels are fully removed. Reject drawer needs emptying. Magnetic separators protect furnaces by removing hidden ferrous contamination.
Magnet caught another wire.
Optical scanners reject off-color fragments before blending begins inside batching.
The scanner pulled that green piece.
Separate feed lines keep every ingredient controlled before recipe weighing.
Cullet bin level is holding.
Automated weigh hoppers build recipes accurate enough for continuous melting.
Recipe 12 is on target.
Uniform mixing helps glass melt evenly and reduces costly furnace variation.
Blend looks even now.
Surge bins smooth the flow before the batch reaches furnace chargers.
Level is back in green.
Prepared batch now moves toward the hot end of production.
Bearing temp is normal.
Chargers meter the batch so melting remains stable around the clock.
Charger speed is right there.
Inside this furnace, minerals begin the long transition into molten glass. Port temperature looks steady. Fresh batch dissolves gradually into a glowing pool of usable glass.
That blanket is melting clean.
Refining heat helps dissolved gases escape before bottles are ever formed.
Bubble count is dropping nicely.
4 hearth channels fine-tune glass temperature for consistent gob formation.
Zone 3 needs no change.
The feeder shapes molten streams that determine every bottle's weight.
Stream shape looks right.
Shear blades cut uniform gobs that feed the forming machine precisely. Cut length is dead on. Each section receives glowing gobs and starts shaping future bottles. Center drop looks clean. Transfer arms move hot partisans into molds that finish bottle shape. Invert timing sounds perfect. Freshly formed bottles leave the machine glowing and precisely spaced.
Spacing looks good across this section.
A protective hot-end coating helps bottles resist scratches during transport.
Flow rate looks stable. Annealing removes internal stress that would otherwise crack finished bottles.
Entry spacing is staying even.
Inside the layer, heat drops gradually to protect bottle strength. Zone 1 is tracking well. Controlled cooling aligns glass structure and improves impact resistance significantly.
Profile is settling where we want it.
Every zone changes temperature slowly enough to prevent hidden fracture points. Fan bank 2 sounds right. Bi-layer exit. Bottles are cool enough for faster handling.
Exit flow is nice and smooth.
Cold end coating reduces friction as containers accelerate across long conveyors. Mist pattern looks even. Airflow stabilization keeps lightweight bottles upright after thermal conditioning ends.
Crossflow is staying balanced.
Multiple lanes merge precisely to sustain non-stop production volume downstream.
Both lanes are balanced now.
Servo controls coordinate every motion after bottles leave hot forming. Phase match is staying clean. Precision conveyors rotate containers so coatings and airflow stay uniform.
Seam alignment looks centered.
Transfer mechanisms handle bottles gently while maintaining very high line speed.
Transfer match is right on.
Advanced temperature mapping verifies each conveyor zone matches process targets.
Surface profile still matches trend.
Automated lubricators protect handling equipment through continuous production cycles.
That point cycled clean.
Guide rails and star wheels position bottles for the next operations.
Single file looks centered.
Line synchronization prevents collisions while container output keeps climbing steadily.
Release pulse looks perfect.
Heated coatings and cooling air together prepare bottles for downstream handling. Surface feel is right. Final process tuning improves consistency before bottles face detailed inspection.
Center line is holding nicely.
These conditioned containers now move uniformly toward the final processing stage. All lanes are running clean.
Final alignment prepares each bottle for high-speed, repeatable inspection ahead. Center line looks perfect now. Air rinsing clears loose particles before cameras evaluate every surface. Lane 2 needs a touch more air. Stabilized spacing helps inspection systems read contours without line interference. Seam tracking is staying centered.
Transfer modules deliver bottles into inspection lanes with exact orientation.
All 3 lanes are balanced.
Pre-inspection buffering maintains flow while preserving flawless conveyor discipline downstream. Send the next group through.
Veteran inspectors still spot subtle flaws that sensors can sometimes miss.
That one has a sidewall mark.
High-speed cameras examine bottle finishes for chips, cracks, and asymmetry. That finish profile is clean. Sidewall inspection reveals blisters, stones, and seam defects instantly here.
That blister is real.
Base scanners verify heel thickness and detect unstable forming patterns.
That heel profile looks thin.
Checkweigh stations confirm each bottle holds the correct glass mass.
Mass is back on target.
Dimensional gauges verify neck geometry for reliable filling line performance later. Finish diameter is within tolerance.
Upload testers measure how much vertical force each design withstands.
Peak load is acceptable.
Pressure testing confirms bottle walls can survive carbonation and filling. Hold point looks stable. Sample impact checks expose weak containers before shipments ever leave. That sample held the hit.
Final acceptance depends on both automated data and expert judgment.
This run is approved.
Lab technicians document samples before stress, chemistry, and strength testing.
Route this one to stress analysis.
Polariscopes reveal hidden stress patterns trapped inside the bottle walls.
Stress bands look even.
Chemical analysis verifies raw batch consistency through the finished glass composition. Composition is matching target today.
Transfer complete, no visible crack.
Thermal shock trials prove bottles can withstand rapid temperature changes. Only bottles passing every test move forward toward packaging and shipment.
Release this run for packaging.
Final refinements ensure every bottle enters packaging clean, stable, and uniform. Surface looks ready now. Cooling tunnels equalize bottle temperature before high-speed packaging equipment begins. Exit temperature is right on. Surface checks confirm coatings remain intact after the entire conditioning sequence. Coating still looks even. Final lane consolidation feeds packaging systems with balanced, uninterrupted bottle flow.
Both feeds are staying balanced.
Refined bottles are counted, grouped, and released for packaging at speed. Group count is exact.
Packaging starts where bottles enter synchronized filling and grouping conveyors.
Pack line 1 is running clean.
Servo lanes space containers perfectly before dividers and pack guides engage.
Spacing is opening correctly.
Guide systems prepare containers for secure multi-pack grouping without scuffing. Rail clearance looks right.
Bottles gather into precise pack counts before entering carton loading modules.
Pack format changed cleanly.
Automated pack lanes keep every bottle upright during high-speed packaging.
Speed trim looks good.
Case erectors create strong cartons ready for glass container loads. Corners are squaring clean.
Robotic grouping systems prepare bottle arrays for accurate carton entry.
Pick pattern is lined up.
Closure and code systems confirm each package is traceable and sealed. Top seal is holding. Protective inserts and case flaps secure bottles before shipment handling. Divider fit feels solid. Printed labels identify production runs, mold cavities, and packaging dates. Label placement looks centered. Inkjet coders stamp traceability data onto every finished bottle package.
Code print is sharp again.
Barcode scanners verify labels match the correct production batch records.
That batch code matches.
Final sealed cases leave the coating line fully identified and protected.
Outfeed looks complete.
Finished cases are packed tightly to prevent movement across warehouses. Layer count is complete. Pallet patterns maximize stability before wrapped loads move to storage.
Bottom wrap is catching clean.
Stretch wrap locks finished cases into stable, warehouse-ready shipping loads. Bottom tension looks right. Corner boards and pallet tags protect loads and preserve tracking. Tag and corners are good. Forklift crews move wrapped bottle loads carefully into warehouse staging. Clear on the right. Staging lanes organize finished pallets by route, customer, and ship time.
This row ships on Route 3.
Dispatch planning arranges pallet groups into efficient outbound shipment blocks. Move this customer block to Dock 6. Finished bottle loads enter organized warehouse aisles for controlled storage.
Bay 14 is still open.
Careful rack placement protects loads while keeping inventory instantly retrievable. Bay match confirmed.
Warehouse systems track every pallet by location, lot, and shipping priority.
This pallet is now ready.
Stored loads are checked regularly for stability, cleanliness, and damage. Film still looks tight.
Reserve pallets are repositioned quickly when outbound demand priorities change.
Take this one to pick zone 2. Outbound pick zones gather stored pallets into route-ready shipping groups. This route loads in stop order.
This warehouse links finished production directly to customer delivery schedules.
Dock 4 is ready now.
Loading begins only after docks, trailers, and routes are fully verified.
Bay is clear. Bring the first load.
Forklift teams load pallets in sequence to protect routes and stability.
Straight ahead. Easy now.
Load bars and spacing checks prevent bottle freight from shifting.
This row is secured.
Seals and documents finalize custody before finished bottles leave the plant.
Seal number matches the manifest.
Sealed trailers depart in sequence as finished bottle shipments head out.
Lead trailer clear to gate.
From the plant, finished bottles travel across highways toward customer facilities.
Customer receiving docks prepare to unload and use the delivered bottles.
Back it straight to Bay 2.
Here, finished glass bottles arrive, ready for their next manufacturing journey.
Delivery arrived in good condition.